By the end of this video, you will learn something super exciting and incredibly useful, especially if you've ever dreamed of sharing your thoughts, passions, or expertise with the world online. Blogging. Now, getting started with blogging can feel a little overwhelming. Where do you even begin? What do you write about? How do you make it good? Well, today, we're going to break it all down for you. Think of this video as your personal roadmap to crafting fantastic blog posts, specifically in that helpful beginner's guide style. We're actually going to be using a fantastic prompt today that acts like a super helpful guide. It's designed to take you through the steps of writing a high-quality blog post, even if you're just starting out. Our goal is to show you how to take a simple topic and turn it into a comprehensive and engaging piece of content. The very first step in writing any blog post, and especially a helpful beginner's guide, is figuring out what you want to talk about. This might seem obvious, but taking a moment to really consider your blog post topic is crucial. Think about your passions, your expertise, or even common questions you get asked. What are you knowledgeable about? What are you excited to share? For a beginner's guide, it's often best to focus on a topic that you can break down into simple, actionable steps. For example, instead of a broad topic like gardening, you might narrow it down to a beginner's guide to planting your first tomato seeds. See the difference? The more specific your topic, the easier it will be to create a focused and helpful guide for beginners. Once you know what you're writing about, it's time to think about how you're going to say it. The prompt mentions choosing a tone, and this is super important for connecting with your audience. This will influence your word choice, your sentence structure, and even the overall feel of your blog post. For a beginner's guide, the tone can be particularly effective because it helps to make newcomers feel comfortable and supported. Think about the language you'll use. Will it be casual and conversational, or more formal and instructional? Maintaining a consistent tone throughout your post will help build trust and keep your readers engaged. Another key element for a clear and engaging beginner's guide is using active voice. This makes your writing more direct, concise, and easier to understand. And let's also not forget keyword researching, because the prompt also needs unique keywords that are specific to the topic you are going to create. If you want to learn how to find long-tail keywords for your content, I have added a video link in the description below. Here's the prompt. Create a blog post about blog post topic. Write it in a tone. Use transition words. Use active voice. Write over 1,000 words. The blog post should be in a beginner's guide style. Add title and subtitle for each section. It should have a minimum of 6 sections. Include the following keywords. OROS keywords. Create a good slug for this post and a meta description with a maximum of 100 words, and add it to the end of the blog post. Let's say your topic is how to start a candle business, and your tone is friendly. Just plug it into the prompt, along with keywords like best wax for candles, candle fragrance oils, candle making techniques, candle making supplies, and click enter. Here's the finished blog post based on the prompt. It's written in a friendly, beginner-friendly tone and structured with clear sections, perfect for someone starting a candle business. It begins with an engaging introduction and then walks the reader through each step of the process, from understanding the market, choosing the best wax for candles, gathering supplies, and learning candle-making techniques, all the way to branding and selling online. The keywords that we provided are seamlessly incorporated into the blog post to help with SEO. Each section has a title and subtitle to keep things well organized and easy to read. At the end, there's a helpful summary and a custom meta description, plus a clear slug for SEO. Altogether, the post is over 1,000 words and optimized for both readers and search engines. I hope this walkthrough helped you see just how easy it is to create a detailed SEO-friendly blog post using the right ChatGPT prompt. Make sure to watch my next video where I show you how to use a unique ChatGPT prompt to create blog topic ideas, which you can then use to create blog articles like in this video. I will see you there.